Some days, your body needs relief so it can move and feel like itself again. The Muscle Recovery Program helps to reduce inflammation and supports muscle recovery by delivering far and mid-infrared, each delivered separately to ease swelling and increase circulation to affected areas, while near-infrared with red light penetrates deeper to support cellular repair. This targeted therapy helps ease muscle tension, improve mobility, and support the body's natural healing response. Sunlighten's patented technology delivers 4 distinct wavelengths at the highest quality and quantity, so your body can absorb more infrared energy than with any other sauna. More absorption means more effective recovery benefits every session. Choose muscle recovery and let your mPulse intelligent sauna do the work.